We are listening at the beginning of an AI supercycle where advanced silicon is the foundation of every major technological shift. Our ambition is very simple: to ensure that more of these critical chips are designed by Skychip or Malaysia. We are not just an IP company, we are evolving into a platform company spanning memory, compute, and multi-die integration. With access to advanced technology and strategic platforms, we are expanding into a next-generation silicon solutions across AI, high-performance computing, and advanced architecture. We now have the capital to scale, to invest further in R&D, to expand our IP portfolio, and to build the next generation of silicon platform. But just as importantly, we want to demonstrate that world-class semiconductor innovations can be built from Malaysia. And inspire many more companies like this.